The recipe telling practice by Lavanya. Let's see how she explains the lemon rice recipe.
Myself prepared lemon rice. Take the cooker, 250 gram rice into 2 glass water. Close the cap. Add salt. Close the cap. Chop onion, tomato, and green chili. Heat oil and add mustard seeds. Mm, Add curry leaves and groundnuts. Fry fry onion well before you add uh, ginger, and green chili. Stir the mixture carefully while adding lemon keep.
Thank you, Lavanya, for beautifully explaining the lemon rice recipe.